This year I stole my New Year's resolutions from a 14th century mystic named St. John of the Cross. He said, "Don't try to be good, love God, and goodness will follow." In previous years, I made giant lists of self-improvement. They just made me tired and resentful and ultimately ashamed because I failed. But loving God is different. It's what we were made for. It doesn't crush you. It changes you. So how does that look in my regular life? More worship, more prayer, more scripture, more loving other people, more being kind to this beautiful world God gave us. Not to make myself look good, but to become more the person I already am in Him. Thanks for watching. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Happy New Year, and we'll see you next time.